Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Kinza Shaukat. I am lecturer of English at Kent School and Boys College, Wahdat Colony, Texla. Students, today we will cover the comprehension passages 1 and 2 from 9 to 10th English grammar and comprehension or composition. Passage 1 is, I am reading this passage for you. Listen it carefully. One day a wolf felt very hungry. He wandered here and there in search of food, but he could not find anything to eat. At last he saw a flock of sheep grazing in a pasture. He wanted to eat one, but they were guarded by a hound. The shepherd's son was also tending the flock vigilantly. The wolf found himself helpless. At last he hit upon a plan. He hid himself in the skin of a sheep and safely went into the flock. The hound could not find out the wolf in disguise. He killed the sheep and ate it without being caught. In this way he ate up many sheep and their number began to fall every day. The shepherd was greatly worried but could not find out the thief. Here are some questions which we have to answer according to the passage. First one is, why did the wolf wander about? Did he find anything to eat? Why was the wolf helpless? How did he get into the flock? Why was the shepherd worried? Did he find out the thief? And the answers from the passage are, first one is, the wolf was very hungry, so he wandered about in search of food. Second is, no, he did not find anything to eat for some time. Third is, the wolf was helpless because the flock of sheep was guarded by a hound. And second option is, the shepherd's son was also tending the flock vigilantly. He hid in the skin of a sheep and safely went into the flock unchecked. The shepherd was worried because the number of sheep began to fall every day. He could not find out the thief. Third one is, no, he did not find out the thief. Then we have passage number 2. On a hot summer day, a fox felt very thirsty. He went about in search of water but could not find water. At last he reached a well. He peeped into it. Unfortunately, he slipped and fell into the well. A goat happened to pass by the well and looked into it. What are you doing here, uncle? The cunning fox replied, Dear niece, I am enjoying a swim down here. It is a very pleasant. Come down and enjoy yourself too. The goat was also thirsty. She jumped into the well. Questions are, what happened to the thirsty fox? Who passed by the well just then? What did the goat do? What did the goat say to the fox? What did the fox say in reply? Why did the goat jump into the well? And the relevant answers are, the thirsty fox slipped and fell into a well. A goat passed by the well just then. The goat looked into the well. The goat said to the fox, What are you doing here, uncle? The fox said in reply, Dear niece, I am enjoying a swim down here. It is a very pleasant. Come down and enjoy yourself too. The goat jumped into the well because she was thirsty. She was taken in by the cunning fox. Students, you need to write it in your copies and make notes of these passages. Thank you.